Today I will show you how to fix this error message. I have this error message each time I run the program. If I run the program here, I got this error message. Here I say okay, I can check this. Let me go here to see on the file if I see this value. If I search for this value, here this value is a is a float or is a double. Now we'll go to Intellij. I'll open the file. I choose the name is an starRating.average. Let's see if I go here, man. The file is here. The name is starRating. Let me see where I can find starRating. Okay, me just starRating. I have me just starRating here. Okay, I can click on starRating. Now the value I want is the average. The average value is int, is complete. Now I can change here to float. Now I run. It's spread the I can change. You can change it to double, so the double will work also. Thanks for watching.